Hi guys, welcome to new tutorial. My name is Ahmed and in today's tutorial I'm going to share with you the best 3 websites to watch movies and TV shows for free and legally. Okay, the first website is tubetv.com. I leave you all websites links in the description or in the pinned comment, okay? Okay, once you access to tubetv.com, you'll get it like that as you can see here. After that, click on browse and from here you can select action movies, adult animation, anime, classic TV and movies, etc. Okay, here we have movies, here we have TV shows, here we have live TV, here we have Espanol, Spanish movies and TV shows, and here we have to be kids movies and TV shows for kids. Okay, but keep in mind tubetv.com doesn't work in all countries. So if it doesn't work in your country, so you have to use VPN, okay? The second website is Pluto.tv. Once you access to Pluto.tv, you'll get it like that as you can see here, okay? Here we have homepage, here we have live TV, here we have on demand. From here, you can select action movies, comedy movies, drama movies, crime movies, etc. Okay, and here we have search. From here you can search movies, channels, and more. Okay, and keep in mind Pluto.tv also doesn't work in all country. So if it doesn't work in your country, so you have to use VPN. Okay. The third and last website is Plex.tv. Once you access to Plex.tv, you'll get it like this as you can see here. Okay. Here we have live TV. Here we have on demand. From here you can select action movies, comedy, documentary, in Spanish, Spanish movies, music, etc. Okay. And here we have discover. And from here you can search for movies, TV shows, channels, and more. Okay. And keep in mind you don't need VPN to use Plex.tv because Plex.tv works in all countries. Okay. Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, see you in next video. Bye.